Hey everybody, got something brand new today. 2018 playoff football. You get 2 autos, 2 mem cards. I'm still in my makeshift filming area, so hopefully you can see these. There are 12 packs per box, 8 cards per pack. The price was higher than typical playoff. I don't remember. Does it normally start higher and then drop later? I mean, like a lot of products do, but I don't know if they were. I'm trying to figure out if they're trying to upscale this product a little bit, or this is just how things always are, because I really can't remember what playoff started off at in grab this 16 and 17, because now you can get 17 for about $50 a box, and you can get did I say 16 for about $50 a box, and 17 for somewhere around there, often even cheaper. Alright, see what these look like. So there's the base design, quite colorful, no border. It's alright. It's a little bit busy, makes it a little tough to read the names in the where it's the dark border at the top there. First insert, Thunder and Lightning, and I can't even read who this is. Golden Tate, Marvin Jones Jr. Rookie Wave, Lamar Jackson, and rookie card, Christian Kirk. That's a good looking card there. Not so bad. Meredith, Corey Davis. Here is a James Washington autograph, rookie ticket numbered out of 24. He has not been as electric as everybody expected, but I mean, he is still young, so there is hope. So this could be a very good pull. I like that it's super short print, so yay on that. And a Cam Newton Air Command and Roquan Smith rookie. I only ordered 1 box of this to start. I wanted to see it first and see what we're looking at and see what the price does. I'm not overly impressed with these base cards. I don't know. Torrey Smith. This is some kind of parallel. The print is gold and it's numbered to 99. Tom Brady Playoff Heroes. It's a good looking card there. Not bad at all. Hidden Gems, Raymond Berry, and Malik Jefferson. One reason the price is up could be the fact that they included more hits. If I'm not mistaken, in 16 and 17 it was 1 auto, 1 mem. So that could be one reason they upped the price a little bit. Well, a lot actually. Fitzgerald parallel to 25. That looks like it's bronze print. Nice super short print of a really good player. So happy with that. Thunder and Lightning, Le'Veon Bell and Antonio Brown. Darius Geis, rookie wave, and Deshaun Hand, rookie. Looks like we might have them relic here. Let's see. Graham, Funchess. Well, I guess I'm wrong. Just a thicker pack. Stargazing, Zeke, and a Air Command Wentz. And Nyheim Hines rookie card. Green, Hill, Lawrence, Ingram, Ajayi. Yeah, I really like these playoff heroes. That's a really nice design. Lamar Jackson, rookie wave. Didn't I already get that? And Carlton Davis, rookie. Almost positive I already pulled that Lamar Jackson. Okay, this feels like a mem card, and we should be due one. We're about halfway through. Ross, Bradford, Garcon, Drew Brees, and it is Jared Goff. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, sweet. It is a nice little patch, numbered to 50. Game day. I mean, it's small, but it is a patch, and it is short printed, and it is of Goff, who is having a solid year. So, not bad. Hidden Gems, Bo Jackson, and Cedric Wilson Jr. So we should pull one more autograph and one more mem card. Kittle, Kamara, Carlton Davis, $2.99. Gold rookie. Thunder and Lightning, already got this. Sony Michel, rookie wave. Godare, rookie. So it's funny to have a couple of dupes of inserts. You would think that that definitely would not be necessary. And if that is a common problem, people will not be happy. Set builders will not be happy anyway. Gesicki. What is this? Oh, okay. A Mike Gesicki autograph. It's on a thicker stock than the James Washington. Not numbered. But not bad. Air Command, Tom Brady, and Jordan Wilkins. So I haven't done very well as far as the base rookies go. None of those big quarterbacks yet. Julio, Anza. There's McCown, parallel to 99. Thunder and Lightning. Hogan and Gronk. There's a Rosen rookie wave. I've done okay with these rookie waves, but not the base rookie so much. Alright, we're down to the last two packs. Oh, there's Baker, so it's one of them anyway. Jordan Howard, game day. And that is just a plain little piece of jersey. So that was the last hit. Air Command, Kirk Cousins, and Baker Mayfield. And our last pack. Roethlisberger, Thielen, Playoff Heroes, Aikman, Cam Chancellor, Hidden Gems, and Cortland Sutton is the last rookie. So, looks like you got 12 rookies. And this was the stack of inserts and parallels. Healthy little bunch there. Base cards. 2 jersey hits. And the 2 autographs. Overall, not a bad box. I have to really think about it in relation to what the price is at. Again, I'm going to keep an eye on the price. I could see it coming down a little bit, probably. I don't know. Let's see what everybody else starts pulling from this. If there's a bunch of big hits coming out of this, then it'll probably stay up where it is. But otherwise, we may find this at a bargain price not too far out into the future. So we'll see. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. I'll be back soon.